Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and right now, Sun is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. Third house deal with your communication, your younger brother and sister is seen from third house, your efforts is seen from third house, cousins, neighbors, childhood friend is also seen from third house. So right now, third house Lord is moving in your seventh house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships in journal is seen from seventh house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house. Your business partnership and your spouse related matter is also seen from seventh house. So right now your third house Lord is moving in your seventh house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter with your spouse and your business partnership. And you will also get the ability to do a lot of communication in the month of January. If you are a business person, then we can expect great result. You will get a lot of opportunity in the month of January, especially till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move from your seventh house to your eighth house in the sign of Capricorn. But till Sun is moving in your seventh house, you also need to be take care of your arguments related matter because Sun represent ego, and right now Sun is moving in your seventh house in the house of spouse, in the house of business partnership, being your third house, your communication lord. So you need to be take care of your ego related matter. You may have to deal some argument with your spouse and difference of point of view because of ego related matter because Sun represent ego. After 15th of January, when Sun will move to your 8th house, then we can expect good result regarding your communication related matter. After 15th of January, when Sun will move to your 8th house, then you need to be also take care of your communication related matter. Also guide your younger brother and sisters in your life because right now, because after 15th of January, your third house Lord will be moving in your 8th house. 8th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. 8th house also deal with your sudden events. So suddenly there are chances you may indulge into some argument and difference of point of view. If you are married right now, then you need to be also take care of your in-laws related matter after 15th of January when Sun will move to your 8th house. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of January for all the Gemini Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. And right now your first house and fourth house Lord is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. First house is the most important house in everyone's birth chart. First house is your ascendant. Ascendant deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your journal health is also seen from first house. Your fundamental nature, your thinking perception is also seen from first house. Fourth house deal with your mother's health, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Your home related matter, your property related matter, your vehicles related matter is also seen from fourth house. Your emotion and emotional peace is also seen from fourth house. So right now your first house and your fourth house Lord will be moving in your seventh house till the whole month of January. And Mercury just moved from your sixth house to your seventh house after 6th January 2024. Right now your ascendant Lord is moving in your seventh house, and from seventh house Mercury is also aspecting your first house, means your ascendant its own house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your general health related matter in the month of January. Because first house also deal with your fame, your personality, your general health, and your general perception related matter. And right now seventh house and seventh house also deal with your fame related matter and your business related matter. So right now your first house Lord is moving in your seventh house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your general health, regarding your communication, regarding your general health related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and regarding your support in your business. Because Mercury, your ascendant Lord, is moving in your seventh house. Mercury also controls your fourth house, but Ketu is moving in your fourth house. That's why you need to be take care of your mother's health and your mother's relationship with you. Also you need to be take care of people whom you are living with. Your home people is also seen from fourth house. So Ketu will detach you from the living significance of your fourth house. Ketu will try to detach you from the living significance of your fourth house. So you need to be take care of your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Also, you need to be take care of your relationship with your home members to whom you are living with, either your family member or someone else. So you need to be take care of your home related matter, because right now Ketu is moving in your fourth house, but right now your fourth house Lord is moving in your seventh house. That's why we can expect some relief regarding your disturbance regarding your fourth house related matter, because seventh house, from seventh house Mercury is also aspecting your first house. But as we discussed previously, your sixth house Lord is also moving in your seventh house, and your Sun, which represent ego, is also moving in your seventh house. So you may have to face argument and difference of point of view with your spouse and your home members in the month of January. We can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your fifth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. Venus will stay in your sixth house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move to your seventh house in the sign of Sagittarius. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your spirituality related matter, your donations, your losses is also seen from 12th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning ability, girlfriend, boyfriend is also seen from fifth house. So right now your 12th house and fifth house Lord is moving in your sixth house, and from sixth house Venus is also aspecting your 12th house, means Venus is your 12th house and also looking at your 12th house. So we can expect great result if you want to travel somewhere in the month of January. So also we can expect great result regarding the foreign settlement related matter, and all the matter related to foreign is seen from 12th house. So we can expect great result regarding all of these matter in your life in the month of January, especially till 19th of January, because Venus will stay in your sixth house till 19th of January. Also, if you are in debt right now, if you are in loan right now, then you will able to pay your loan back, because your 12th house Lord, house of expenses, house of losses Lord, is moving in the house of loans, in the house of debt, and from your sixth house also expecting your 12th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your paying back loan and debt in the month of January. Venus also controls your fifth house, and fifth house Lord is also moving in your sixth house. That's why you need to be also careful regarding your children's health and your children's matters in the month of January. If you have children and these are in education life, then you need to be take care of their education is in the month of January, especially till 19th of January. If you are in love relationship, then also you need to be take care of your love relationship, because your love relationship Lord is moving in the house of conflict, in the house of argument. After 19th of January, when Venus will move to your seventh house, then we can expect some relief regarding your expenses related matter, regarding your losses related matter. So we can expect some relief regarding your love relationship. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship when Venus will move to your seventh house, because then Venus will move from your house of conflicts, house of argument, to your next house, to your seventh house. That's why after 19th of January, we can expect good result regarding Venus for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Moon controls your second house, and right now Moon is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Libra. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of January. And on the basis of 6th January, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving your 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associate with these houses. And moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. And naturally malefic planet are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Sagittarius. 11th house deal with your gains in life, your elder siblings seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your profession network circle, and your PR is also seen from 11th house. Sixth house, as we discussed previously, sixth house deal with your court cases, your litigation, your argument, your fights, your debt, your daily routines also seen from sixth house. So right now, 11th house and sixth house Lord is moving in your seventh house, and Sun and Mercury also moving in your seventh house. So that's why you need to be take care of your arguments related matter in the month of January. If we try to summarize monthly prediction for all the Gemini ascendant, you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you're dealing with your family members and your seventh house related members like your spouse and your business partnership. You may have to face argument and difference of point of view time to time in the month of January. Also, Mars controls your 11th house and Jupiter is right now moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house Jupiter is also aspecting your 11th house Lord in your 7th house from its ninth aspect. That's why we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your incoming gains. Also, we can expect if you are single right now, you will get good proposals in the month of January. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.